Come with me as I show you around St. Lawrence College. First up is Davies Hall. This is a great place where students love to study and get their work done. And then up the stairs, you're going to see the Innovation Hub, which is used for events, workshops, and also just a study space. Next to it is one of the entrances into the Student Association. This spot specifically is the game room, but then there's also the Student Association Lounge, which is personally one of my favorites. If we go downstairs, you're going to get to the library, and if you went up, there's more classrooms. Additionally, there's student services, and we also have our gift shop not very far from there. And if you keep walking straight, you're going to see some more of our services that SLC has to offer, as well as the cafeteria. As we continue to wander around the school, you're going to see lots of windows and spots to sit, all the things that really help to make a successful year for a student. I have now gone in a loop and I came back up to the top floor. Now, if you keep walking towards the cafeteria, you're going to find this hallway, which takes you to an entrance to the gym. It's a great place to go and work out. Then also, if you go this way, you're going to find the open gymnasium. One bonus about St. Lawrence is that it's all in one building. Even though it's a very big building, it's really easy to get around, which I find makes all the difference when you're spending your whole day here. There's so much to discover at SLC, I wasn't even able to cover it all. Like, what if I were to tell you we even have a school pub? Let me know what I missed and what your favorite spot is at SLC.